Hello guys, it's been a while since I posted my last video. Today I just wanted to give you another update on my koi pond lesson learned. So in late summer this year I started out a new food for the fish, and I cheaped out. I bought the cheap stuff, and I have to pay for it now. So this is the one that I bought last time. It's called floating koi food. So I bought this bucket, and apparently I almost used them up. So that's my lesson. Cheaped out on the food and overfeeding. So this is what I get: string algae everywhere in my pond now. So I keep cleaning it every day. So it's been warm for the last few days. Actually today is 10 degrees Celsius out here, and as you can see, I didn't have this problem last year. It just happened this year, and I blame that cheap koi food plus my overfeeding too. So no more cheap food next year. Yeah, so I've been cleaning it up every day with my skimmer net. So I just keep scooping it up. Yeah. Yeah. So next year I have to do some kind of a treatment, but for now it's out of the season, and I just do clean it up like this and wait it out. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, the fish are still at the bottom there, and the temperature is a little bit chilly down there. Yeah, this is how I do it every day. Let's check the temperature. So right now it's 8 degrees Celsius at the bottom of the pond, and this is the temperature inside this shed, 15.8. So it's kind of a bit chilly down there, but there were some days that the temperature was down lower than that. But yeah, it's kind of dark now, but fish are down there. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep doing this every day. And it's such a nice day today. I'm gonna put up some Christmas light on this tree and get ready for the holidays. Yeah, I'm gonna try to scoop up more of these algae. There. Algae, string algae harvesting. Look at that. Haha. Yeah. Yes, you can see I actually drained out the pond and the water level is much lower than before now, so it's down below the skimmer entry. Yeah, just to compensate the overflow of snow and ice in the winter time and the rain. Some more here. Yeah, one of these string algae can be a food source for the fish in the winter time. But I kind of have to clean it before it gets overcrowded. Can't get those. Well, that's it. I'm gonna try to put up some Christmas lights now. Alright, a little bit of extra feature for my video today is that I'm gonna put up all these Christmas lights on my trees around my pond. So it's such a nice weather today, so I'm gonna take advantage of that and put up the light and get ready for the Christmas holidays. Alright, I'm gonna try to put them up and show you after I'm done. Alright guys, so I have all the string lights hung up on these trees. You can see up there, 2 strings for this tree and 2 for this cherry tree and 3 strings for this apple tree. So it's all ready. I'm gonna turn on for a test tonight and I'll show you later.